Hola, bienvenidos mis amores. Hoy vamos a hacer un video super cool que estoy tan emocionado de hacer hoy. Se trata de Boxycharm y estoy tan emocionado de hablar de los productos que van a estar en esta caja de este mes. Just kidding. Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. I did get you there, didn't I? Did you know I can speak Spanish? Obviously. A Latin queen. Hello. Go ahead and do a different type of video today with this particular subject, which is our Boxycharm. I have both Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe here in front of me. So I have both Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe this month. I wanted to do kind of like a comparison if you should upgrade to BoxyLuxe or just stick with your Boxycharm box. Kind of see the difference in what it is in each box from a person who doesn't get sent the boxes, because I know some of these influencers get sent both. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys both boxes, tell you guys what's the tea with that. If you guys want to stay tuned, please be sure to subscribe down below, down to my channel. Be sure to hit the post notification bell to get a notification straight to your phone or device and see when I upload next on my channel. Be sure to head over to my Instagram, Mitchelmakeup, or my Twitter, currently suspended, but you know what I mean. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I want to talk about the Boxycharm first, because this is obviously the Boxycharm box that we are already love so much. The Boxycharm, if you guys are not aware, is a subscription service every month that you get for $21. You get about 4 to 5 full-size products. You get over $100 worth of product in the box, but if you upgrade to a BoxyLuxe, it is over $250 worth value, and you get like luxury skincare, hair care products, not just like beauty products, but like even more different products that you get in the month. It's super exciting, so I just wanted to share with you guys. You can definitely do monthly, bi-monthly, however you want, a whole year, I don't know. This cute little box, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. That's cute, right? So it's this month's boxes. Getaway. I wanna get away. First thing I see in the box is the No Problem Primer Prime Essence. The primer essence, it tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth, but it makes it look dewy, I believe. And the MSRP on this is $23, and it's cute. It looks very like kawaii primer. It's about 1 fluid ounce. The next thing you get is something that I'm super excited to try out, is the Dominique Cosmetics lip glosses. This one is in the color Strawberry Lemonade. I actually want strawberry lemonade now. Oh, she's so cute. That's so cute. The component is cute. The color is super cute. It's a hydrating and shine in fullness lips with a lightweight non-sticky balm. It's sheer but long lasting, and it's $17, so that's good. The next thing I see on here is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in Prosecco. Please. Look at that. That's cute. The MSRP on that is $26. Second to last thing on the Boxycharm, you get these Wander Beauty Baggage Gold Eye Claim little masks. And these have come in a Boxycharm before. I love these boys. They're super hydrating. They feel so good. The skin under the eye feels amazing and hydrated. Like your skin is on another level when you use so many masks. And the set of 3 is $13. It is like a gold foil like underneath your eye. It's so cute. Last but not least, we have a Tarte palette. One is called the Be You Naturally. We've gotten about 3 of these kind of eyeshadow palettes from Tarte before. Tarte is a really good natural cruelty-free brand at Sephora and Ulta, so if those are like something you're clicking off or like something you want to check off your list, definitely check out Tarte. Oh my god, this looks like a cute mirror. Palette, I feel like this would be a good palette for like beginners or like somebody who doesn't really know much about makeup, or like an everyday person, obviously not like a influencer, because we are into everything, honestly. And the MSRP on the Tarte palette is $36, so that's already amazing. Okay, so the total for this whole box was $115, which is amazing. And then if you guys have absolutely no idea, because I know I didn't know what this was until I had to Google it. But if you guys don't know what MSRP, and like that is the manufacturer's retail sale price, aka what people are selling it as on store, in store, online, whatever. That's kind of what it means. So MSRP basically means the price at the store. The cute box is $113 worth of this box. I really am excited for the primer. The highlighter looks beautiful. The lip gloss, the eyeshadow palette, I'm excited. The only thing that I'm not like hating that it's in the box, but we have had the eye mask before, so it could have been for something new, but I do love those eye masks and I ran out, so I'm so happy that we have those in the box now. Okay, so let's get into the BoxyLuxe, which is the big box. This is a little heavy. Oh, we don't want to show that. This is a little heavy. She's cute. Look at the size of this box. God, this is such a huge ass paper. Look at the paper difference. Okay, bad bitch vibes only. Oh my god, what is this? You get a bag. Yes. PYT, PYT. I don't want to look at it yet. It says it's made in China. That's all I've seen. Oh my god. I can't get it out. This is so cute. It's a little hair dryer, like a travel hair dryer, so you don't have to like bring or use the one from the hotel. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Look, it's like a pretty light purple. I don't know what this color is, but I love it, like lilac. PYT. It's a mini turbo on the go hair dryer. Powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Oh, cool. This is $85. I don't think I mentioned this in the earlier part of the video, but you have, in order to get BoxyLuxe, you have to have had the Boxycharm box already, and you just have to add, I think, $24 to the box. If I'm wrong, I will put the correction here, but I believe it's only a couple of dollars more to get the box, so it's about $48 if you want to get BoxyLuxe instead of the $21. Look, you get a cute little head, like a diffuser head. I have a mini strainer and a mini hair dryer. You get this one. This is the one that I use because this one is like perfect for my hair. I'm so excited. These are so cute. I do think these are quality product, if I do say so myself. That was the $85 raise. Okay, we have hair care this month. We have the Living Proof Dry Volume Spray. This is the styling and finishing spray. So you can shake it, suction and spray to the roots and tousle for volume. 7.5 ounces, the big daddy. She is $29, aka $30. Oh, she's kind of dirty. Sorry, it's kind of dirty. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. It's the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic Cleanser is what is in the box. It is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. I don't know what that is. I think it's like a green thing. It reminds me of like chemistry. No. Biology maybe? Probiotic, cleansing yogurt, and this is $35. Yeah, she's expensive because Dr. Brandt's an expensive brand. Oh my god, I love this brand. This is Pharmacy, and I love this. It's the Honeymoon Glow AHA Reverse Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Look at this cute box. The MSRP on this is $58. Let me tell you, Pharmacy is a little expensive, but I love their brand. I feel like they do so many right things for me, like Ulla Henriksen. They both do really good things to me. Oh, she's cute. Look at that. Yes, this is definitely $58 worth. So far, I feel like we're getting good quality, expensive products. Oh my god. So far, none of this stuff is in the Boxycharm box, which a lot of the times their products do like overlap. This is Skin & Co. Ruffle Therapy Radiant Dew Eliminating Skin Mist. Like a setting spray? Okay, yeah, so it rebalances your skin pH level, it tightens your pores, and it's also setting makeup. Ew, it spits at me. Oh. Maybe after like your skincare, I feel like that would be a really good way to use that setting spray. Again, the MSRP is $35 on that, which is really nice. This has 4.6 fluid ounces. You also get the No Problem Primer Essence, Candela one, the one we had in the other box. Just as a reminder, that one had the MSRP of $23. I don't know what this is. It's like a contraption. Like, does this not look like a contraption to you? Oh, it's a mascara. It's a mascara! This is the Good Vibes mascara. This is an all-in-one lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara to give you everything you need. You're kidding. Okay, so it's like this, right? You just go like this. And then you go like this, like to your lashes. You're kidding, I'm shook. How does that work? This is kind of small. Put back the top. Bitch, that's so cool. Wow, I'm impressed. I had the MSRP of $25. Wow. Oh my god, we get another Dominique gloss, you guys. I love Dominique. And if you guys don't know who Crystal Dominique is, she's like so freaking beautiful, I can't. This is in the color Peach Tea, so it's different from the, oh my god, this one is so me. Look at the color of this one. This is super cute. I love a lip gloss. I have one last product here on this amazing BoxyLuxe box. I have the Tarte's Pro Glow a Cheek Palette Volume 3. So we get a big Tarte palette instead of the eyeshadow palette for this month. And if you guys do not know, these are how the Tarte palettes come. I have the first one, which was highlight and contour. This one, I believe, is like 2 bronzers, 2 highlights, and 2 blushes. Look how cute. That's cute, right? I like Tarte. Tarte, again, is like one of the brands that's super famous in Sephora. So if you guys are looking for like makeup you want to try, I think Boxycharm or BoxyLuxe is such a great way to get like products into your collection if you want to grow your collection. So I'm gonna quickly add everything into my calculator together. Remember, the last box was $115 for the last box, and this one is gonna be way more. I already know. Oh my gosh, I don't think I told you, but the MSRP on the Tarte palette is $45. So remember that the BoxyLuxe, they advertise that it's $250 or more worth for $48, which I think is a huge steal. And this month's BoxyLuxe total is $352. Just saying, you didn't spend $352, you spent $48, honey. Honestly, you guys, that is so amazing, the fact that you get so many products in a month. And I feel like it's like Christmas whenever I get my Boxycharm. Like, I just think it's like Christmas because they're full-size products. I love a lot of the brands that they are like always in collaborative with. The last month's box was probably one of my favorite months box, and this box definitely hit the mark. Both Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe were really, really amazing. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys think. If you guys think BoxyLuxe is worth it, or if you think you should just stick to normal Boxycharm the month. Both of them are really amazing depending on how much your budget is, how much you're willing to spend every month. Just so you know, the BoxyLuxe isn't every month, it's one every 3 months. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, giving you guys a little bit of a difference on what BoxyLuxe versus the normal Boxycharm box is for this month of June of 2019. I hope I give you guys an insight. If you do not have Boxycharm, personally, I think it is worth it. Go watch other Boxycharm videos. I wanted to share you guys the difference. I'm always doing a try-on version of Boxycharm, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.